How to fix TikTok account is currently suspended. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you recover TikTok suspended account. So let's get started. First, as you have to just look for the option for appeal. For that, simply open TikTok with your account. After you open TikTok, you'll have to just check for any notification that you may got from TikTok. Simply for that, tap on your profile icon. From here, tap on three lines at the top right. Tap on settings and privacy. From here, you'll have to scroll down and tap on report a problem. From here, choose for the options like live. Simply choose hosting live. Like live is suspended. And from this section, you'll be able to find the option for suspended account. Simply tap on that. Simply from here, tap to check if your account has been suspended. Right now, my account is safe and active. In your case, if you find any options like your account is suspended, you'll have to tap on the option report or tap to appeal for that. After that, you'll be able to send a request or appeal to the TikTok support team. From there, TikTok support team will provide you some guidelines or procedure to fix or unsuspend your account. Also, you can report or chat with them. For that, from the settings section, tap on report a problem. From here, scroll down and tap on chat with us. From here, you can as usual send a message from here. And that's it. These are the way you can try to get back or unsuspend your account. If you found this video helpful, please do a like and follow for more social media tips like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.